What are the signs that my baby's position at 6 months may indicate a medical issue?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that's very important for all new parents: understanding your baby's position at around 6 months of age and what it could possibly tell you about their health. We'll be looking at various signs that may indicate potential medical issues. Remember, it's crucial to discuss any concerns you may have with your pediatrician.
What is the normal physical development at 6 months?
At around 6 months, most babies have achieved certain milestones related to their motor skills. They're typically able to roll over in both directions, sit without support their weight on their legs when held upright, and rock back and forth, often crawling backward before moving forward. However, it's important to note that every baby is unique and develops at their own pace. Not meeting these milestones exactly at 6 months isn't necessarily a cause for concern. But certain signs could indicate potential medical issues.
What are the signs of potential medical issues?
If you observe any of the following signs, it could potentially indicate a medical issue. 1. Limited movement. If your baby is not moving their arms or legs much or seems floppy or excessively stiff, it could be a cause for concern. 2. Favoring one side. If your baby consistently uses one side of their body more than the other, for example, reaching out with only one hand or dragging one side while crawling, it may suggest an issue. 3. Difficulty with sitting or rolling. By 6 months, most babies can sit with some support and roll over. If your baby is struggling significantly with these skills, it could indicate a problem. 4. Lack of responsiveness. If your baby isn't smiling, making sounds, or showing other interactive behaviors, it might be a sign of developmental issues. 5. Trouble with vision or hearing. If your baby doesn't follow moving objects with their eyes or turn their head towards sounds, it could be a sign of vision or hearing problems.
What should you do?
If you notice any of these signs, don't panic. It's important to keep in mind that all babies develop at their own pace. But it's always a good idea to discuss your observations and concerns with your baby's pediatrician. They can provide a professional assessment and, if needed, refer you to a specialist. We hope this information has been helpful in understanding what signs to look out for regarding your baby's position and movement at 6 months. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about your baby's development. It's your attention to these details that can ensure your baby gets the care they need when they need it. Thanks for watching.